Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable auto translate on your Roblox chat. Okay, first of all, you need to join one of the games on Roblox, and then you're going to go to the setting by clicking on this icon, and then open up the settings menu. And here you need to select the automatic chat translation. Okay, and if you want to activate the automatic chat translation, you can make it on like this. Okay, and then you just need to go back to the game. I'm going to click on resume. Okay, and after that, the chat from the other players will be translated automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!